So students, today we will solve exercise 4.2 question number 2, 3. Suppose we are having the equation x is equal to 4y, or you need to calculate, or you need to solve four solution of this equation. So here we can put the value of x here, or we can find out the value of y, or if you like to put the value of y and calculate the value of x. So in this question, what is more easier? We will put the value of y. So suppose let here you can put so many values of y. So put y is equal to 1 in equation 1. So put here, so in that condition x is equal to 4 into 1. So x is equal to 4 1 ja 4. It is the first solution. For y is equal to 1. It is the first solution. And second solution may be put y is equal to 2 in equation 1. So put here, so x is equal to 4y, or x is equal to 4 into 2. So x is equal to 4 2 is 8. It is the second solution. Very easy question. And third, if you like to put y is equal to minus 3 or minus 2 or minus 1, which value you like, 0, minus 2, minus 3, it is depend on you. Put y is equal to minus 3 in equation 1. So again you are having the equation x is equal to 4y, or put here 4 into minus 3. So x is equal to minus 12. So it is the third solution. And last one, fourth solution, put y is equal to 0 in equation 1. So again we are having equation x is equal to 4y. So x is equal to 4 into 0. So 4 into 0 is equal to 0. So that is the last solution or fourth solution of this equation. Similarly, you can solve many questions of question number 2 of exercise 4.2. Either you can put the value of x in equation, or you can put the value of y. If you are putting the value of y, so you can calculate the value of x, or if you are putting the value of x, so you can calculate easily the value of y. So these are very simple and easy question, you can solve easily. Students, now in question number 3 of exercise 4.2, we will check. These are the solution 3, 4, 5. I have chosen only 3 options. You will try to solve 2 more options as homework, but I have chosen 3 options, 4, 0, root 2, 4 root 2 and 1 1 are the solution of given equation or not. So how to check? In the first value belongs to x, or second value belongs to y. Here also first value belongs to x, second value belongs to y. First value belongs to x, or second value belongs to y. So in equation I will put these values one by one to check it is the solution or not. So how we will check? So put. Now we will write here put. Which option we are starting? We are starting from third option. Put x is equal to what? X is equal to 4 and y is equal to 0 in equation 1. So equation 1 is that x minus 2y is equal to 4. So put the value x is equal to 4. So 4 minus 2 into y is equal to 0 is equal to 4. So 4, 2 zeros are 0 is equal to 4. So 4 is equal to 4. This means left hand side is equal to right hand side. So we can say that So we can say that 4, 0 is the solution of given equation. Okay, it is very easy task. Now question number, again we will choose option number 4. Option number 4 is that put in place of x we will put root 2, or in place of y we can put 4 root 2 in equation 1. So again we are having equation x minus 2y is equal to 4. So whether we are not getting left hand side is equal to right hand side, so at that place we can say that the given point is not the solution of this equation. So it may be possible here, we will put the value and check it. X is equal to root 2, so root 2 minus 2, y is equal to 4 root 2 is equal to 4 or not. So root 2 minus 4 2s are 8. Root 2 will not be multiplied here because it is a rational number of 4 or 2 are rational numbers. So they will be multiplied, or product of 2 into 4 is equal to 8, or again we copied root 2 is equal to 4. So is this possible? Root 2 minus 8 root 2 is equal to 4. It is not possible. So what we can say that left hand side does not equal to right hand side. So we will write here no. Given point which root 2 comma 4 root 2 is not the solution of given equation. Similarly, last point, question number option number 5th, 1 comma 1, that means put x is equal to 1 and y is also 1 in equation 1. So put here, very easy question. So x minus 2y is equal to 4. So in place of x we will put here 1 minus 2 into 1 is equal to 4. So 1 minus 2 is equal to 1 is 2, so 4. So 1 minus 2, that is equal to minus 1, does not equal to 4. So here the problem is left hand side does not equal to right hand side. So at the end we can write no, the point 1 1 is not the solution of given equation. So these are very easy question. We are having the points, or first point indicates toward the coordinate of x, or second point indicates the coordinate of y. So both we can put in the equation and check it whether we are getting left hand side is equal to right hand side. So that means the given point is the solution of the equation. If we are not having left hand side is equal to right hand side, so given point is not the solution of given equation. Very easy question. So you must solve all the problems like these. Having one more question. Given equation is 2x plus 3y is equal to k, or the solution of this equation is given already in the problem. If x is equal to 2 or y is equal to 1, then find out the value of k. Very easy question. So how to solve this question? Yeah, you can solve this question. We will put the value. So here equation, given equation is 2x plus 3y is equal to k. So here you will put x is equal to 1, x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 1 in given equation. So we will put these value in given equation. So put here, very easy, 2 into 2 plus 3 into 1 is equal to k. So 2 2s are 4 or 3 1s are 3 is equal to k. That means 7 is equal to k, or we can write k is equal to 7, or k is equal to 7. So this is the solution. So we have to find the value of k. So answer we can write the value of k is equal to 7. It is the answer. Very easy question. You can solve. Students, now we will draw the graph of given equation in exercise 4.3. So I have chosen question number 4 of question number 1 for construction of graph. So you can use the graph paper for your practice, as well as you can draw the graph in your fair notebook by using the scale 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit. So how to draw the graph? So first we will have to construct a table of x and y. So for this purpose we will solve the question, or we will draw the table. Then after we will draw the graph. So before solving the problem, we will arrange the equation in standard form. So 3 is equal to 2x plus y. So we can also write 2x plus y is equal to 3. So we will draw here the table. So at least we need to find out 3 or 4 points of each. So we will write here x and y, or we can name the equation 2x plus y is equal to 3 is equal to equation number 1. So here step by step you can put the value. So put x is equal to 0 in equation 1. So first step, we can put 0, 1, minus 1, 2, minus 2. It is depend on you. If you want to put x is equal to value of x, so you can put the value of x in equation 1, or find out the value of y. If you want to put the value of y, so you can calculate the value of x. Both are possible. It is depend on your choice. Whatever you like, so you can do. So now I am putting x is equal to 0 in equation 1. So we are having equation 2x plus y is equal to 3. So we will put here 2 into 0 plus y is equal to 3. That means 2 zeros are 0 plus y is equal to 3. That means y is equal to 3. So when we have put x is equal to 0, so we got y is equal to 3. So we will write down these values in the table. So in place of x we will put 0, or what we got the result, y is equal to 3. Similarly we can put another value. Put x is equal to minus 1, suppose minus 1 in equation 1. Same equation we will use. Okay, so in equation 1, so now we are having the equation 2x plus y is equal to 3. So 2 into minus 1 plus y is equal to 3. Then 2 1 ja 2, but here minus sign is the minus sign, y is equal to 3. So y is equal to 3, or minus 2 will be transferred right hand side, so it will become positive. So y is equal to 5. Now we are having two values. X is equal to, if we are putting x is equal to 1, so we get the result y is equal to 5 here. Now third step, put x is equal to 1 in equation 1. So again 2x plus y is equal to 3. So 2 into 1 plus y is equal to 3. So 2 1 ja 2 plus y is equal to 3, or y is equal to 3 minus 2. So y is equal to 3 minus 2 is equal to 1. So here we got one more value. When we are putting x is equal to 1, so y is equal to also 1. So put here x is equal to 1, y is equal to 1. Now last one, put x is equal to minus 2, if you like, minus 2 in equation 1. So here we are putting 2x plus y is equal to 3. So put here 2 into minus 2 plus y is equal to 3. So 2 2s are 4, minus 4 plus y is equal to 3. So y is equal to 3. Transfer minus 4 to right hand side. So it will become plus 4. So y is equal to 7. So 2 or 3 values are enough to draw the graph, but at least we are taking 4 values, so it may be easier to draw the graph. So I have taken 4 values. So minus 2, x is equal to minus 2, or y is equal to 7. So this is the construction of table before drawing the graph, before constructing the graph on Cartesian plane. So you may understand this technique, how to put the values of x or y. Students, now we will draw the graph of given equation 2x plus y is equal to 3. So this is equation number 1. We have assumed when we are finding the value of x or y by using putting the value in equation, and we are getting the other in next step. So it is the construction of table. So after construction, or having constructed the table, we need to draw the graph. So as we know, it is Cartesian planes. There are two axes in Cartesian plane, x and y. So it is positive x-axis from origin. The intersecting point of both the axes is called origin, or coordinate of this point is equal to 0, 0. That means on this point the value of x will be 0 as well as value of y will be 0 here. And if we are moving horizontally right hand side, so all positive value of x-axis, and if we are moving in left hand side, so we will get all negative value of x-axis here, or coordinate of x here. And at the top we are getting positive values of y coordinate, or at the bottom from the origin vertically, so we will get the negative value of y coordinates. So we have to find out, or we have to construct the graph by using this table. So first point, x is equal to 0, so y is equal to 3. So where will be x is equal to 0? So we know that x will be 0 here, or y is equal to 3 is here. So we will get the point here. First point is 0, 3 we got here. So we can write here beside this point 0, 3. Next one, x is equal to minus 1. So x is equal to minus 1 is where? That is left hand side to the origin at horizontally direction. So we are having horizontal direction, so we are having minus 1 here. So minus 1, 5. So minus 1 here or 5 is here. So we will get the intersecting point of both the points. So we will get another point. So we will write here, it is point minus 1, 5. Next one, 1, 1. So 1, 1, 1, 1. So the point is situated here, 1, 1. That means we are going in x direction, positive value, or in y direction is also value. So we will get intersecting point 1, 1 here. Now minus 2, 7. So minus 2 is there, or 7 will be situated at the top of the y-axis. So we will get the point. So how to get the point? We will like this, or in a graph paper you can draw very easily, there is no problem. But in plain paper, so there is little problem, but we are doing practice, that is more important. 1, 1 is situated here on this point, or this is the point minus 2, 7. Or at the end we will join this point to construct a straight line. So similarly we will draw these points to construct the straight line, or this is the graphical representation of linear equation. So it is very important. Definitely one or two question can be asked from this exercise of your final or half yearly exam. So you must solve all the problems of related graphical representation of these exercise 4.3. So you must solve all the problems according to this. I can't send all the problems to make a video. So we must, or you must solve at your home, or I am giving only one solution how to draw the graph. For one more solution I will send. It may be possible.